just received this from Ultimal. It's their new collection. It's called the Magnet Buckle Premium Nylon Band for Apple Watch. Today I need to make some content around this. Comfortable, I like it. And also the strap is really strong with the buckle. Wow, I feel like the quality is really good. I'm using this one right now, which is a elastic kind of. Oh, magnet. Look, that's cool and strong one. I feel like if I remove the plastic, it's gonna be really strong. Let's work out something from it. So I'm gonna wrap this around my arm and then try to get the shot of my band like while I'm walking. You have this part which is you can tighten it up a little bit more. Like you see it, you can tighten it up a little bit more. And this part right here, which is really strong. Wow. Like you see it, really strong. So yeah, I kind of really like it because one, you can do whatever you want with whatever you want. You can do a lot of stuff like with this. My light goes off, so like this is not my timing for it. Let me. A bit light. Okay, so yeah, for example, you can go for gym with this because the material is soft and also can handle the sweating part. I guess like I don't know if you can wash it, but anyway, I'm gonna try the gym later with this. And one of the things that I found like here when you open the whole thing, this is an extra part. It goes like till the watch, so meaning the metal of the watch or whatsoever thing that you have right here is comfortably set on your arm. And oh yeah, I got scratch while I was opening this box with the knife. Before I was using, let me grab it. Before I was using those one blue for whatever like blue clothes I'm wearing. The green one is my one to go every day because it's flexible, can go gym, can do whatever I want. It's waterproof and I can wash it or just at least clean it. And this one, since I have Apple Watch since a while, I keep having one of these, which is I use for business kind of meeting or like more formal stuff. So I use this one, the metal one. And I had like leather one too, but it happened like I think I lost it or I just left it back in Mauritius. I didn't take it here. Yep. So right now, Ultimal, this is my ultimate one. I like it. Yeah, and also the green. I think like they have black, green, and gray, and the green one is my preferred one till now. Green guy.